Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make a mini mushroom. We're going to start with a magic ring, so we're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're going to slip the hook under the first line and hook into the second one. Then we're going to make a chain, and that is a magic ring. Next, we are going to make a single crochet, so we're going to insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over and pull the yarn through the loops. That is a single crochet. Since we need to make 6 single crochet for the first round, we are going to make 5 more. Once you have 6 single crochet, you can pull the yarn to close the ring. And we can continue to the second round. And for the second round, we are going to make increase. And for increase, we have to make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So we're going to start with a single crochet first. And then still on the same stitch, we are going to make another single crochet. And that is an increase. And for this round, we are going to make increase for each stitch. For round 3, we are going to start with a single crochet. Then on the next stitch, we are going to make an increase. And that is the pattern for this round. We are going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the round. Continue to round 4. For this round, we are going to make a single crochet for each stitch. For round 5, we are going to start with 2 single crochet. Then we're going to continue with an increase on the next stitch. And that's the pattern for this round. We're just going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the round. Continue to round 6. For this round, we are going to make a single crochet for each stitch. For round 7, we are going to start with 3 single crochet. Then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern for this round. We're going to continue with this pattern until we reach the end of the round. For round 8, we're going to start with 3 single crochet. Then we're going to make a decrease next, and to make a decrease, we're going to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch and also the front loop of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull the yarn out. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. And that is the pattern for this round: 3 single crochet and a decrease. We're going to continue with this pattern until we reach the end of the round. Before finishing the last decrease stitch, we are going to change the yarn into the white yarn. And we can also cut off the red yarn. So now we are using the white yarn. We are going to continue to round 9. And for this round, we are going to make decrease for the whole round, but we are going to make it on the back loop only. Then you can insert the stuffing. And we can continue to the next round. And for round 10, we are going to use the front loop only. And we are going to start with 2 single crochet. Then on the next stitch, we are going to make an increase. And that is the pattern for this round. We're just going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the round. For round 11, we are going to start with 7 single crochet. And then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern. We are going to repeat this pattern one more time. Then for round 12 until round 14, we are going to make a single crochet for each stitch. We can insert more stuffing. Then for the last round, we are going to start with a single crochet. And we are going to make a decrease next. And that is the pattern. We are going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the round. Once you're done, you can cut the yarn. And to close it, we are going to grab our hook and we are going to insert it into the front loop of the stitch, yarn over, and pull the yarn through the loops. And we can repeat the same step for the rest of the stitches. Then you can pull the yarn to close the hole. Next, you can insert the eyes and add blush. For the white spots, we are going to make a magic ring and 6 single crochet. And then we're going to make a slip stitch on the very first stitch. And that's it, we can cut the yarn and weave in the end. If you want to sew them, you can leave a long tail for sewing. But since I'm going to use some glue, I'm just going to cut them short. And for this you can make as many as you want. I'm going to use 6 pieces. Then you can just place them on the top of the mushroom. Once you're done, it's going to look like this. And for the brown mushroom, we are going to use the same pattern but without the white spots. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!